Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa1. My name is Emmanuel and now I'm going to show you how to test this pressure switch. This is a little pressure switch and now I'm going to show you how to test this item using this digital multimeter. Subscribe now to our channel Sosanasa1 and thank you for watching. This is very easy. Turn on and select here diode test. Is ready. If for example I touch this and this in this way and watch on the multimeter screen 0 0 0, it means we have continuity. If this and this don't touch each other, we don't have continuity. And we are going to use this for test this item, this switch. This is very easy. If you see, this switch has a black cable and a red cable. It means this is direct current voltage switch. It's the same like our digital multimeter, red and black, because this digital multimeter measures direct current voltage too. And let's to take the black tip and do this. Ready. And now take the red tip and put to touch this with this and let's to test this. Now is off and now is on. It means this switch is working correctly. Off, on, off, on. If you watch on the multimeter screen, this switch is working correctly because like we are watching on the multimeter screen, here we have continuity or energy and now we haven't energy or continuity. It means this switch is working correctly. And in this way you can test this kind of a switch. This is a pressure switch because if you see, I am pushing here and release. It means this switch allow energy now and stop energy now. Allow, stop, allow, stop. It means this pressure switch is working correctly. And in this way you can test this switch. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa1 and share this video. Give me a like and thank you for watching. See you next time.